Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to rename a file or folder in your Windows laptop or PC or desktop with mouse. And this shortcut is by using mouse, okay? And there is no keyboard shortcut. So there is multiple way to rename. You can simply click on one file or folder, then right click, then select this option in Windows 11 to rename. Okay, so otherwise you can simply press um, F2 for rename. You can see here. Okay, there is another shortcut is that by using mouse simply click two times. You can see first click is selecting, second click is for renaming. You can see that whatever we double click that, then it will be open the file or folder, but actually you give some delay in clicking, like 1 2, so it will be bring rename options. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.